So, are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger kitchen so you won't have to bump into each other in the small kitchen you're currently living in? Or are you looking to upgrade to a home with a bigger backyard for your kids to play? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph, and I understand that looking for a new home, wondering if you're going to find a replacement home with such limited inventory, thinking about all the paperwork and getting everything out of the house and moving to a new one, it is stressful, and sometimes you just don't want to deal with it. Listen, I get it, and it can be one of the most stressful things that you'll do in life. If you're with me this far, I'm guessing maybe you're just juggling around the idea of moving. Maybe your family is growing and the house that you have right now is getting too small. Or maybe your home is too big and your wonderful kiddos have all moved out and the halls are empty and you're ready to move down. I work with teams of professionals that will help you move, and it will make it a breeze. We will be able to help you find your replacement home, even in this competitive market. We will also help you get your current home sold at the right price, so you'll end up getting more money in your pocket. So let's do it. Let's get your dream home that you and your family deserve. For more questions, give us a call and reach out to us at any time. We are always here to help. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.